What's up, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. It's your boy, Kris KeyZ, and I'm here to talk about three things: music, money, and mindset. Now, have you ever dreamed about making your own music, but you feel like you didn't have the time, the skills, the tools, or even nobody even show you how to do it? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly in this video how you can start using AI and Boomy to start creating you tracks and loops in just minutes. Now, just imagine if you wanted a lo-fi EDM or hip hop track type beat, and you could just create it with the matter of only a few clicks. No expensive gear. You don't have to spend hundreds of dollars hiring a producer. You could just literally click a few buttons and out pops out a new track, and then you can immediately start uploading your music to Spotify, iTunes, and start making money off of your music when people listening to it. How cool is that? Well, let's jump right into it and let's explore some of the options that Boomy has to offer and how you can start creating music using AI. Now, with that being said, I don't use AI to replace any of my music production. It's more of ways to how I can incorporate that into my ideas, the way that I think, and still be creative with my music. All right. So the first thing with that being said is you want to head over to boomy.com and you want to sign in, create your account or whichever one is best for you. I'm just going to create me an account real quick. And what you'll do, you'll come up to this screen that looks like this. Get started. You can create a song and it gives you a couple of the presets, you know, depending on your genre. You got lo-fi, relaxing music, global, rap beats. So some very cool popular genres to start with. You can even preview. This is the lo-fi, you know, electric dance. Got a rap beat. All right. So, I mean, not bad. Actually, let's try electric dance. Let's do some EDM today, huh? All right. So what you want to do is click on it, whichever genre that you want, and then it's going to give you a couple options within that genre. So you have a warehouse groove, which is more of a house. Okay. You have a hyperdrive. You know, definitely that drive. I hear the distortion in there. And you have more of a chill wave with the vapor. So you could just choose one of those. I'm going to choose the hyperdrive. And whichever one you choose, just press create song. And then Boomy's going to use AI and start creating your song within seconds, guys. So our song is already completed. Once we just gave it a few clicks, we're already halfway done with the song. How cool is this so far, right? All right, so let's ignore that pop up. So within that, you can start customizing. We'll start over here with the song, the new song title. We'll call this one Booming YouTube. The name of the artist we'll call, my name will be YouTube TY, or I'm sorry, YT2, YouTube 2, and tags you can add whatever you want on that EDM tag on there. So, and you can decide when you release it who you want to hear your song or who can see your song. Just everybody, only yourself. So we'll keep that with everyone. Let's save changes. All right. So let's listen to our song, what it has. I'm gonna fast forward it a little bit. Okay, so it's definitely a little house vibe to it. So once that's playing, you can still go in and customize your sound. So this section right here, instruments and sound, if you click on that, you have tons of options right here that you can mess with. So on the harmonic side, I can go in and I can choose which instruments I like by the group. So I can choose between Synth Haven, Carolina Trap Set, Brass and Brass and Winds. I must be hungry. Brass and Wings. Anyway, yeah. Brass and winds. Let's actually choose brass and winds. And you can also, where these dice are, if you just click that, you can see it's loading right in this section. So every time you do that, it just creates a whole different random set of instruments for you. But like I said, you can personally go in and change the sounds if you upgrade. I'm still on the free version, but you can see if you do upgrade to the creator, it's $10 for the pro, about $30 a month. So we can, like I said, save the changes once we go in here. You can change the different harmonics. You have drums over here. We can do the same thing, change the different types of drums. Do you want the vintage electric drums? We have EDM drums, trap drums. Since we're doing EDM, we'll keep it on the EDM. So we'll save those changes over here. And once this finished loading up, while that is loaded, I'll take this moment to say, hey, if you're getting value out of this video, be sure to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. It definitely helps me out as I'm trying to get to 2,000 subscribers by the end of March. So as you can hear now, I changed the drums, and I feel like we have a different drum, an EDM drum. Now you can also go to rewrite. Say I like this, but I want the tempo or something to be different. I can go there and I can change the tempo. I mean, most EDM is around 128. But what if I just wanted to see what it sounds like at 80? I'm going to make the lead maybe a little busier. I'm going to turn the bass down some, turn the chords up, maybe just a hair, and turn the drums and make them a little bit busier. So we can try this. We'll rewrite the song. Oh, and the composition, we'll keep that on, let's just change that to boomy bap, kind of like a boom bap. So let's rewrite the song. Let's customize it. AI is going to do its thing. Boomy's going to do its thing. And it's going to spit back a whole different creative vibe. So once again, my way of creating is not so much hands-on. It's using my brain and my ears and just my imagination, which, I mean, you always have to have your imagination when creating. But we're just, like I said, using two different tools. It's a newer way of learning how to create. And I don't want AI to take our jobs or take away from us creating. It's almost like when the internet first came. Some of you guys been around long enough. We used to have to literally take mail and get on a horse or buggy and drop off a mail, right? And that would take days, weeks to, back in the day. I'm going back. But we have the internet to where now they created Gmail, Yahoo, email service platforms to where now that same information, I didn't have to change, I can't get you the information or I can't write you a letter no more. It's just a different way to doing it that makes it easier. So using email instead of getting on the horse and riding over there and giving you that same message. So it's the same thing with creating now. It's like we don't necessarily have to create using our brain, using these tools that we used to use. We can add AI to what we've been doing and create something a little bit different and actually faster, right? So if we play our new song, totally different vibe there, right? So like I said, you can go in, you can change the tempos, you can do whatever you want to do. Let's change the drum density since that was a little busy on the drums. Let's just change that back down to 2. I'm going to do my chords at 5, and I'm going to turn the bass back up here. And let's turn our lead down to 4. And let's put this back at 128-ish. All right. Let's rewrite the song. Let that create and do what it do. And like I said, guys, drop in the comments below if you're going to use Boomy, if you have used Boomy, or if there's any other AI sites that you've used in the past, and what do you like about it, and how are you creating and using AI into your music production in 2025 and heading into the future. I really think AI is here to stay. So definitely leave some comments and let me know how you guys are creating using it. All right, so this is our new track. See, the drums, they got a lot more basic because I turned that down to real simple to like a 2, right? All right, so you can see you can have tons of fun creating using this, the different arrangers, the rewrite. Let's just go to a rearrange section right here. Now we can rearrange what is spit out to us and say just move the bars around. So we can make it a little bit smaller, medium. So we can take this here. Let's just take this 6 bar, put this here. Put this here. Just change this 2 to here. Maybe put the 5 over here, something like that. And we want to end this right there. All right, so we'll put render, which is going to map all of that out and save our changes. Or you could have previewed it, but since this is just a test and kind of going through some options and show you how you could be creative, we're just going to go ahead and save and render those changes. So let that spit out and think about it a little bit. And once again, guys, this is literally taking minutes. If I wanted to, I could be done with the song and just allowing, whatever it gave out. But this is where you do have to be creative. You have to go in and tweak, just like if I was creating in Logic or creating a song. I would go into my my editor window and tweak it. So it's kind of the similar thing here. All right, so I have that. Let's exit out. I want to save and exit. So it's saving the creation for me. All right. So actually, let me go back here. Well, I guess it saved the song. So once you have the song saved, I guess it just went ahead and went to save the song. You can go to your library tab here. As you see on the top, you have your different songs, create. So these are a couple songs that I've done. This is the one I just did, Boomy YouTube. And like I said, if I want to go back in and edit, I could just hit that pencil bar right here. And it takes me back to what I just had and lets me preview the song, make any more arrangements. All right. So very cool. Very cool. One last thing that you can do, you can add vocals. So if you want to add vocals to your track, and it's a couple ways you could do it. You can use you can drag and drop some vocals. I can talk in and say some vocals, or I can actually use AI to create vocals for me. But what I'm going to do is let's just talk. I'm going to say some weird and crazy things, and I've never done it this way. Let's just see how Boomy takes my vocals and drops it into the song. So what I'll do is, let's see, add your own voice, custom voice. All right, so I'll press play back your song during recording, headphones suggested. All right, so here we go. We're gonna record. Yeah, talk to me nice, not on splice. Hold up, I be up day and night. This better not be whack, or I'm not coming back. Jack. All right, so I'm totally off on all of those. I don't even know if I'm on time, which is a good thing. I'm glad I actually did it like that. So now we can really see how AI takes somebody with no rhythm, no skills, or even rhyme like me, and let's see what AI does with it. So it's recorded that. I'll press continue, and it's going to render that. It's going to do its thing. AI is going to, Boomy's going to find this way to incorporate my voice, and let's listen back. Yeah, talk to me nice, not on slice. Hold up, I be up day and night. This better not be whack, or I'm not coming back. Jack. All right, so I'm totally off on all of those. I don't even know. So very cool. I mean, you can literally see how you can start creating, and it did kind of time up my vocals a little bit, and I heard it put like a little looked like there was a little bit of auto tune or some type of distortion or something in there. But like I said, you guys have this site. You play around with some things, drag in some vocals, play around with it, and see what you come up with. Now, the next part is, once you're ready, you have what you like, and you're ready to release it. You want to put it on Spotify, and you want to start getting people to listen to your music, and you can start making money. The next thing you go to is your library, release songs, and here it is. Just choose the song that you like, and I'm going to go to right click here, or on the little hamburger or the little 3 dots. I'll click those 3 dots, and here it gives you a few more options. You can download the song. You can release the song, duplicate the song, edit the song, archive the song. So what I'm going to do is press release the song. And this is where you upload all your information for the release. So you'll need a graphic art for that. And I'm just going to add in an old graphic arts cover that I had before. and it has to be 3000 by 3000 megapixels, or it will not accept it. So I'll just save that. And if you don't have graphic arts, you can use, there's tons of AI platforms up here that you can use, but it also gives you an AI generator. So I could put in, create a lo-fi artwork. All right. And it will generate the art for you there. So no worries if you don't have the artwork. The release title, we'll just call this one Boomy Part 2 for the release title. My artist name, I have a real artist name, KeyZ. I just wanted to show you this one because if an artist already released, or if it's under a name, you can read here, right? You can read right here, and it said most likely it would not be approved. So try to be creative, maybe come up with something different. I'll just put 2 Z's on the end. Hopefully nobody has that. You can select your genre. This will be an instrumental, lyrics, no lyrics, press continue. All right. So now we're almost there. And from here, you can start deciding if you want an album, if you want a single. So I've done a couple songs, so I could actually put together an EP or an album, whatever, and start just adding 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, however many songs. Or you could just choose what song you want to do, the single. If I did choose a couple songs, obviously you can rearrange and stuff like that. But if you just wanted, say 2 songs or 1 song, however you want to do it, once you selected what you wanted, updated the album information, press continue. For singles, your album title must match the song. We get that, understand that, and boom, there you go, guys. You are ready to release your song. How easy was that? You can schedule your release right here by putting in the date. Don't want to schedule it at the end of the month, next month, however. Boom, boom, cancel. And when you're ready, you just press submit and review. So very cool. That is, my friends, how easy is it for you to create using Boomy? From the ideas of the track, within minutes, AI spit me out a nice idea, and it made it fun and creative. Now, like I said, if you haven't learned how to use some of the music production skills, definitely don't ignore that. Be sure to go check out some more of my videos, and I show you exactly how you can start becoming a producer and using skills and simple DAWs to start creating your own music without AI. But at the same time, AI is here to stay. So I did want to do a short, quick video and show you how you can start using Boomy into your music production. If you did find this video helpful, if you liked it and it added value to your life, be sure to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, leave some comments below, and let me know how you guys are going to be using Boomy in the future. Until next time, it's your boy Kris KeyZ. Love y'all. Peace.